Top 5 Best Online Side Hustles for Introverts. A lot of people want to make money online in this day and age. Whether to have some extra spending money or replace their 9 to 5, learning to make money online allows for a lot of newfound freedom. However, some people think you need a massive social media following or talk to other people constantly in order to make any kind of decent income online. For those of us that are more introverted, this can be very discouraging. But this is not true. There are a lot of ways introverts can make great money online that allow us to stay true to our nature. They don't involve a lot of social interaction and can lead to massive profits. Here are the top 5 online side hustles for introverts. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on making money online for introverts. 5. Blogging. Starting your own blog can be a great way to make money online without a lot of social interaction. All you have to do is pick a niche that you're passionate about and write posts gushing about it. Teach the world about what you enjoy, post some articles to teach others about your favorite hobbies, and you can make good money just for writing about what you love. 4. Freelancing. Do you have a skill that other people would pay for, but don't want to work a typical 9 to 5? Freelancing might be the perfect option for you. You will have to reach out for your first few clients, but once you have a good amount of people paying for your services, you can work as much or as little as you want and make very good money on your terms. What can you do that others will pay for? Anything. Maybe you're really good with grammar, so freelancing proofreading and editing would be right up your alley. If you know how to make eye-catching videos, offering video editing services can be a great way for you to start freelancing. Whatever you're good at, chances are someone out there will pay for your talents. 3. Dropshipping. Selling things online can be very lucrative if you know what you're doing, and with dropshipping you don't need to make space for your inventory. You can start for free selling things on eBay from wholesale sites like Alibaba or AliExpress. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube you can watch to learn how to get started for free. Once you start making a decent amount, you can invest into more advanced strategies to boost your earnings, such as making your own online store and running paid ads to it. As with any business, start small and grow as you learn more and earn more. 2. Faceless social media. A lot of us introverts aren't the best at social media. Let's face it, we don't like being the center of attention. But there is a way to make money from social media with showing your face. This is called niche social media profiles. All you have to do is make a page or profile on the platform of your choice, consistently post within a niche or topic you're passionate about, and you can make money from ads, selling your own products, affiliate marketing or several other methods. 1. Digital products. Selling your own digital products is by far one of the best ways to make money online. These can be anything from ebooks, downloads, to full online courses. If you combine this with any of the methods from before, you can potentially double the income you make online. While creating the product will take some time and work on your part at the start, once you put it out there and drive traffic to it, the money you can make is potentially limitless. Which of these side hustles sounds good to you? Are you motivated to try any of them? Tell us in the comments below. We would love to hear what you think. And remember to subscribe for videos on making money online for us introverts.